Good morning students, welcome in BLS Maths E-classes. Today we are starting chapter 2 addition exercise 2.4. In this exercise we will do question number 2 and 3 and the topic is estimated sum and actual sum. Students, in last video we explained how to solve nearest 10. To finding nearest 10 of a number we were comparing our digit with 5. We will comparing with 5 because the tens half is 5, so we will comparing with 5. If we are finding nearest 100 of a digit, so we will compare our highlighted digit with 50 because nearest 100 का half कितना होता है 50, so we will compare our highlighted digit with 50. If we are finding nearest 1000, so we will compare our highlighted digit with 500 because thousands का half 500 होता है. Okay, let's take a example. Find nearest tens, hundreds and thousands of 16,257. स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन कह रहा है फाइंड नियरेस्ट टेंस. नियरेस्ट 10 हमको फाइंड करना है, नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स फाइंड करना है एंड नियरेस्ट 1000 फाइंड करना है ऑफ नंबर 16,257. So first we will find nearest tens. So nearest 10 find करने के लिए first we will write our digit. The number is 16,257. Okay, so right here the places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now to finding nearest 10, the first step is target your digit because tens find कर रहे हैं तो target our tens place. tens place को target करेंगे. Okay, the second step highlighted your right hand side place. जो भी हमारे right hand side place पे होंगी, जितनी भी place होंगी right hand side पे target place के, उनको highlight करेंगे. ओके एंड जो भी हमारी हाईलाइटेड प्लेस होगी वी विल कंपेयर विद 5 बिकॉज हेयर वी आर फाइंडिंग नियरेस्ट टेंस. नियरेस्ट टेंस का हाफ कितना होता है 5, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल कंपेयर विद 5. 7 को वी विल कंपेयर विद 5. हेयर वी आर सीइंग द 7 इज बिगर देन 5, सो वी विल ऐड 1 in our target place and the left hand side place will remain same. जो भी हमारी right left hand side पे places हैं same we have to write same and जो भी हमारी highlighted place है वो हमारी क्या हो जाती है 0. Okay, here the highlighted place is 7 and it is bigger than 5, so we will add 1 in our target place. So target place the tens is 5, we will add 1 and it will be 6. So nearest 10 of 16,257 is 16,260. Okay, now we will find nearest hundreds of 16,257. So right here our number it's 16,257 and place of it ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Our first step highlighted target your 100 प्लेस. जो भी आपकी 100 प्लेस है यहाँ पे हमने टेंस निकाला तो हमने टारगेट किया था 10th प्लेस को, बट हेयर वी आर फाइंडिंग नियरेस्ट 100, so we will target our 100 place. So ones, tens and 100. So target your 100 place. And now we will compare with 50 because 100's half is 50. So we will compare our highlighted place, जो भी हमारी राइट हैंड साइड में मैंने बताया था, जो भी हमारी राइट हैंड साइड में प्लेस होंगी उनको हम हाईलाइट कर लेंगे. नाउ here we are seeing the highlighted place are 5 and 7 because these are immediate right to the target place. The target place is 100. Okay, so these are highlighted, and जो भी हमारी highlighted place है we will compare with 50. So it is 57 and we will compare with 50. Now which one is bigger here? 57. So if our highlighted digits are bigger than 50, we will give 1 to target place. If suppose that if our highlighted place are less than 50, so we will give 0 to target place. If suppose that our highlighted place are equals to 50, so we will also plus 1 to the 100. It means target place. Okay, so here we will add 1 in target place, and the left hand side place will be same, and highlighted place will be converted in 0. Okay, and this is our target place. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is our nearest 10. So nearest 10 of 16,257 will 16,300. Last is nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 of 16,257. The same procedure we will use here. First we will target our 1000 place. The 1000 place is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. The 1000 place is 6, and we will highlighted our rest right hand places. जो भी हमारी right hand side की places होंगी we will highlight them. Okay, now we will compare with 500 because nearest 1000 का half कितना होता है 500. So we will compare our highlighted digit with 500. The highlighted digit are 257. Compare with 500. Here you are seeing 257 is less than 500. So here we will add 0 in our target place. So the target place is 6. We will add 0 here. Okay, and left hand side places will be same, and the highlighted place converted in 0. Okay, now target place is 6. 6 and 0 6. So nearest 1000 of 16,257 will 16,000. Okay, any problem? Question number 2, exercise 2.4. So estimate the sum to the nearest 100. We will find nearest 100. Estimate निकालना है यहाँ पे. Estimate the sum to the nearest 100 and compare it with actual sum. So here we will find estimated sum and actual sum to the nearest 100. So A part is 277 plus 232. So actual sum of this number will be 277 plus 232. So add them. 7 and 2 9, 7 and 3 10, 1 carry, 200 place. Now 2 and 2 4 and 1 5. Okay, and it's estimated nearest 10, sorry, nearest 100. Nearest 100 of 277 will, so let's take a rough column and write your number, place it ones, tens, 100. Step 1, target your digit because we are finding nearest 100. So target your 100 place, ones, tens, 100, and highlighted your right hand side place. Okay, now compare your highlighted digit with 50 because here we are finding nearest 100. 100 का half 50 होता है, तो 77 and 50. So here we are saying the 77 is bigger. If the highlighted place are bigger, add 1 in target place. If the highlighted place if less than 50, so we will add 0. If the highlighted place are equal, so plus 1. Okay, so here we are seeing it is bigger, so add 1 in highlighted place. There is no left hand side. अगर यहाँ पे हमारे left hand side में you are saying there is no any number. If अगर यहाँ कोई number होता तो we will write same. Okay, and highlighted place will be converted in zeros. So 0 हो जाएगा highlighted place and target place 2 and 1 कितना हो गया 3. So nearest 10 of 277 will 300. Same we will find for next number 232. We will find nearest 100 of it. So nearest 100 of 232. First we will target our place. It is ones, tens, 100. So 100 place target करेंगे and highlighted our right hand side place and compare with 50. And here you are seeing it is less than, yani 50 is bigger than highlighted place, so we will add 0. अगर इक्वल होता तो प्लस 1 करते हैं, बिगर होता है तो प्लस 1 करते हैं. इफ इट इज less than, highlighted place is less than 50, so we will add 0 in target place. So here we will add 0 and there is no any लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नंबर, यानी हमारे इसके बाद आगे कोई नंबर नहीं है तो कोई नहीं आएगा. एंड द हाईलाइटेड प्लेस विल बी 0 एंड target place 2 and 0 is 2. So the nearest 100 of 232 will be 200. Add of it 0, 0 and 5. Okay, answer statement: estimated the sum is 509, which is very close to actual sum 500. It is very close it. Okay, let's start B part. This is our B part. 15,588 plus 612. First we will find actual sum. So actual sum of this number 8 and 2 10, 1 carry, 8 and 1, 9 and 1, 10. Again we will give 1 carry to 100 place. Now 5 and 6, 11 and 1, 12, and we will give carry to 1000 place. So 1 and 1, 2. Actual sum is coming 2200. Now estimated sum, so we will find nearest 10 of the first number. Here 1588. First we will target our 100 place because we are finding nearest 100. So 100 place को target किया and we will highlighted our rest right hand side digit. जो भी हमारी right hand side digit है उनको highlight कर लेंगे. Now compare highlighted digit with 50. Okay, so highlighted digit are 88. 88 are big. 88 is bigger than 50. So if it is bigger, we will give +1 to our target digit. So we will add 1 in target place, and left hand side number will come same, and highlighted digit will 0. Okay, now target 5 and 1, 6. So 1600 is the nearest end of 1088. Now 612 we will find nearest 10 of it, and 10. And मतलब nearest 100, and 100 मतलब nearest 100. Okay, so 612. First we will target our digit. Now highlighted, and compare our highlighted digit with 50. So it is less than 50. Our highlighted place is less than 50. Highlighted place is less than 50. So we will add 0 in target place. अगर बड़ा होता तो +1, इक्वल होता तो +1, बट अगर छोटा होता है तो +0. And the target highlighted place will be 0, 6 and 0, 6. So the nearest 100 of 612 will 600. Addition, because estimated sum है यहाँ पे, तो 0 0 0 0, 6 and 6, 12, 1 carry, 1 and 1, 2. So the answer statement, estimate sum is 2200, which is equals to the actual sum 2200. Both are equal. C part, 455 plus 900. Actual sum. So actual sum is 455 plus 912. 5 and 2, 7. 5 and 1, 6. 4 and 9, 13. Actual sum is coming 1367. Nearest end of 455. So let's see here. We have written the number and target the digit and highlighted our right hand side place, and compare highlighted digit with 50. So here you are seeing the 55 is bigger than 50. So we will add 1. We will add 1 in target place, and the highlighted place will be 0. So 4 and 1, 5. It is 500. Nearest 100 of 455 is 500. Next 912. 912 target our digit, highlighted the rest right hand side digit, and compare with 50. So 12 is less than 50. यहाँ पे आपका बड़ा था तो प्लस किया, and here is less, so plus 0 in highlighted place, and target place, and the highlighted place will be 0. and 9 and 0, 900. Okay, so 900 plus them 0 0 0 0 and 14. So it is estimate sum is 1367 is which is close to actual sum 1400. D part 633 plus 297, actual sum of it 7 and 3, 10 plus 1, tens place, 9 and 3, 12 and 1, 13. Carry to 100 place. Now 6 and 2, 8 and 1, 9. Now nearest 100 of 633, first target the place because nearest 100 तो 100 place target किया. Now highlighted our right hand side place जितनी भी होती हैं, ठीक है 33 है यहाँ, and we will compare with 50. So it is less than, highlighted place is less than 50. So we will add 0 in target place and highlighted place will be 0. So the 600 and here we will also do target 100 place and highlighted our rest digit, right hand side digit, it is 97 and compare with 50. So 97 is bigger than 50, so we will add 1 in highlighted place, sorry, target place. 0 0 and 3. So 300 is the nearest 100 of 297. Add them, estimated sum निकालना है, so add करेंगे 0 0 9. So answer statement, it is very close. Estimated sum 930, which is very close to actual sum 900. D part, sorry, E. So it is 922 877. Actual sum we will find here 7 and 2, 9, 9 and 9 and 8, 17. Clear? Nearest 100 and 100 मतलब nearest 100 of 922. So we will write here our digits, target the place, targeted digit is 9, okay, and highlighted our rest digit, these are 22 and compare with 50. Here 22 is less than 50, so we will add 0 in our target place and the highlighted place will be 0. highlighted place जितनी भी होती हैं वो 0 हो जाती हैं and 9 and 0 9, so its answer is 900. Okay, 877 target and highlighted our right hand side place, it is 77, compare with 50. 77 is bigger than 50, so we will add 1 जो बड़ा है 50 से, तो we will add 1 in highlighted and this number will be converted in 0. Okay, now 8 and 9, so 8 and 1 9, So its answer is also coming 900. So 0, 0 and 9, 18. Okay. So estimated sum 1799, which is very close to actual sum 1800. And now F part you will do yourself. Can you do it now? Okay. So I am starting question number 3. In this question number 3, Sanya bought a mobile phone for rupees 23,460 and an LED TV set for rupees 34,890. Estimate the total money spent by her in buying the two items. It is saying सानिया ने एक मोबाइल खरीदा जिसकी कॉस्ट थी 23,460 एंड an LED TV set for rupees 34,890. And in the second statement it is saying estimate the total money. जो इसका आंसर आएगा उसका हमको estimate निकालना है spent by her in buying the two items. उन्होंने जो items खरीदे उनके जो आंसर आएगा उसका आंसर estimate करना है. But it is not saying कि estimate the answer in nearest 100 या 10 या 1000. तो क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? You are seeing here the digits are in thousands periods. It is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is having 1000 periods and this one is also having 1000 periods. So we will find the answer in 1000 period. Okay, in nearest 1000. So here I written cost of mobile phone is equals to 23,460. The cost of LED TV is equals to 34,890. So total money spent by her in both items we have to find. Now solution add. Now add of these number. So 0, 0, 0, 9 and 6, 15. We will carry 1 to 100 place. 8 and 4, 12 and 1, 13. Carried 1 to 1000 place. Now 4 and 3, 7 and 1, 8. Now 2 and 3, 5. So this is the total money spent by her in both items. Now we will find nearest 1000 to find the estimate answer. So nearest 1000 of 58,350. First write our digit number. It is 58,350. Its places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, and now target the place. It's 1000 place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. Target your 1000 place. Now highlighted your right hand side place. It is 350. Now we will compare 350 to 500 because thousands का half 500 होता है. So we will compare with 500. Here we are seeing the 350 is less than 500. Here 500 is bigger than 350. So we will add 0 in our target place. Okay, and the highlighted place will be converted in zeros. जो भी हमारी highlighted place है वो zeros में हो जाएगी and जो भी हमारे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे रेस्ट जितनी भी प्लेसेस होंगी वो सेम इट इज आएंगी. नाउ इट इज टारगेट प्लेस. सो 8 and 0, 8. So she spent approximate 58,000 rupees to buy both items. So Sanya spent approximate 58,000 to buying the two item. Okay, thank you so much.